From the dawn of time, people have always wanted power. We see it, hear about it. Our artists sing songs about it. But the thing is, very few people know how to get or has what it takes to get power, much less maintain it. Some use money, politics, influence, and a lot of things. Back in the late 90s, there was a book named 48 Laws of Power. This book was so influential and insightful, it was banned in prisons and even in some countries. This book is nothing complex. It articulates 48 laws to attain and maintain power. And would you believe that these laws are used knowingly and unknowingly around us every day, even in music? Whether they talk about the gangster life or love, most dance hall songs echo the sentiments of how to get, maintain, or take power. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Do not accept the roles that society forces on you. Recreate yourself by forging a new identity, one that commands attention and never bores the audience. Be the master of your own image rather than letting others define it for you. Incorporate dramatic flair into your public gestures and actions. Your power will be enhanced and your character will seem larger than life. In recent times, Silk Boss has had a rough time in his career and in real life. From the drama with his ex-manager Taro Don, to his recent beating and assault at the hands of gang members, Silk has been in a downtrend recently, and in times like these, Silk Boss should observe Law 25, recreate himself. Due to the recent happenings in his life, his public image has taken a hit. Due to his recent beating, his gangster image was shattered, and the debacle with his girlfriend and manager has led to people labeling him as a clown. Silk Boss should accept his shortcomings and the fact that his previous image has been dismantled. He should now ascend past what society has previously thought of him, rise from the ashes of his image and the previous expectations that society has placed on him, and become better. Silk needs to have an established team around him for support and an effective system. He also has to accept the fact that he is a celebrity, and he cannot operate in the same way a normal person does. Silk Boss has the opportunity to become a Goliath in the dance hall arena if he plays his cards right.